It's a pretty big boat to have at the dock here, and you never really see boats that big out here. Had about 10 feet of water, salt water over it. Was probably drunk out here last night, leaving their trash all over the dock. Oh, I have a sinking feeling that it's that boat. FWC right here. They just pulled up. Oh, nothing to do with that. Look at FWC got him already. That's why I hate being around other fucking boats like that. Well, I was over there and then I seen that big boat, nasty boat parked there, and I didn't want to be near it.
20 minutes later.